How to use Nearby Share on Android file transfer guides. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that I will simply go to settings. So simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys will simply search for Nearby. So we'll simply search for near. Now here you guys can see nearby devices with the same account. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys can see add new device, auto connect, screen mirroring, contact signing, app relay, communication sharing, and other things. So you guys will simply turn on auto connect. Also here you guys will see scan code. So once you click on scan code, here you guys can scan the code of any device that you want to connect. Also you guys can click on add new device. Once you click on add new device, here you guys will see location services. So simply turn on that. After that you guys will simply wait for some second, and here you guys will see the other device that you want to connect it. So simply select that, and after that give the permission, and once you give the permission, that's it, the device will be connected. Or that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.